Well, of course, talagang isang karangalan, partner, ang unang-una makapagbigay ng gantong coverage.
Tama.
Hindi palagi na meron tayo mga bisita na ganito kalalaki na pumunta talaga dito sa Doha, Qatar para pasayahin ang ating mga kababaeng OFW. Here we go. Ang first tip nila ay mapunta.
Gets the first bucket in our ball game. Here comes Spark Cristobal.
Pero we are expecting it to be down to the wire at least to give our fans yung kumbaga hinahanap nilang magandang laban. Kasi nga, nakausap natin yung dalawang kupulo. Sabi nila, they will give a good game. So,
PBA Moto Club, bibigyan ng screen ni De Ocampo. Bibigyan Patrimonio, pupukol ng tres.
Hot tail Lion Heart. Alvin Patrimonio, light sira from the outside. Nakaya-kaya niya talaga yung tira na yun.
Anya, nakapulot ng rebound. Dumre-diretso sa basket. Kaliwete yan. That's a shot.
Spark, partner.
Oo, kay Spark Cristobal muli. No look pass. Kay!
Yes,
Johnson,
finding the open man inside si Jason Johnson. Shot coming from JJ Halderbrand. Mintis lamang yung tira.
May foul na mapupulot si Rodel Malyari.
Ang mga kalaban ngayon sa gabing ito.
Pero bumawi, narinig ka. Ito na si Spark Cristobal, tumatakbo. Binigay sa kaliwa, kay Ospelas. May foul.
No look pass from Spark Cristobal.
Yan lang yung pangalawang team foul. Yung mga taga Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Star, wala pa, hindi pa sila nakakapal, partner.
Rodel yung kanyang tira, kaya resolved in a short layup.
Malyari was open, left behind.
Si Rodel Malyari sa loob.
Ranidel, labang kay Rodel Malyari. Bibigay sa kanyang kuya, yan si De Ocampo. Double coverage sa kanila. Nice! Backboard gun!
Yes.
Bayaran niya!
Good cut, partner, moving without the ball. Ito nga as one of the hero ng championship game on the just concluded GCC. Yung one-legged
Qatar Pinoy All-Stars. He goes up, no go. He gets his own miss. Kicks it up. Casas
wide open, partner. Yes, sabi natin, partner. CJ Casas can hurt you. One of the heroes, sabi nga natin. Pero sa kanilang championship game, another steal.
Ito si Casas.
Yan nga talaga automatic yan. The Casas, as well as connection, the Bataan connection.
Kicks it out to RDO. RDO inside. Reverse layup.
Good spin move, yes. And the reverse layup coming from RDO. This time, CJ Casas playing the safety on that transition defense. Yun ang kailangan mo talaga. Yun ang gusto ko kay CJ Casas. Yung transition defense ng batang to. Napakabilis, very quick to react. Ano, nakita niya agad. Pass by play. Si Cyrus Baguio answers right back sa loob naman. Dinala nila.
Lanon Kahayon, skip pass, Gio Espelas. Drives, pulls up, gets it to go!
Baseline jumper, partner on the pull-up, Gio Espelas. Just pure talent. Ni Gio doon, no? That was a sorry miss. 3 against 2. KG attacking the basket. parang lumindol. Pa rin siya, no?
Ikalawang pukol ni KG Canaleta. Pasok. So, Alvin Hernandez kasama si Coach Joel Pertes. CJ Casas, pupukol ng 3. Pasok yan!
CJ percentage yan. Kahit nung 7 GCC pa, talagang napakaganda lang shooting na ito ni CJ.
At tayo ay tie na, partner Joel. Pero may foul na makikita ang referee. So Ryan Aranya will go to the charity stripes. First free throw para kay Ryan Aranya. Pasok yan. Sa ano ba yun? Sa
Rain or Shine.
Rain or Shine, tama.
JT and Rodel Malyari, the twin tower of Qatar All-Stars. Another 3 for CJ Casas, partner.
Back-to-back hits for CJ
Casas.
Casas.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
3-point shot ni Aranya. Wala. Kako! Magbabalik po muli kami sa delayed telecast ng Karan Management. 22 apiece. May pagkakataon pang makalawang ang PBA Moto Club at ligyan ng screen ni Malyari. At tumasok na rin si Tamayo. Gelig kay Limin! Yes, sir!
From Sandy Limin. And this time they go inside. Sandy
KG Canaleta ngayon. Binigay kay Yancy. Binigay kay KG. Semi-hook is good.
Semi-hook is good. Yes, partner. This time around, yung sabi mo nga, sharing the ball this time.
Binigay kay KG Canaleta. Pumukol ng tres.
You cannot leave wide open. KG Canaleta, hindi lamang slam dunk champion yan.
Nino Gelig. Gelig, attack. Stop, si Rock Malyari.
Yes, again for Rodel Malyari. Gelig, Rodel, yes.
Gelig. Andy Girop again to Malyari.
Yan ang sinasabi natin, the two veteran stars have come to play here.
Espuelas. Lalaglag na naman kay Malyari.
Yes.
Namimiss na
Ang
si Malyari sa
gaganda.
ilalim.
Nung bigay kay Rodel Malyari, nobody. Ganyan nga mga moving without the ball cut itong si Rodel Malyari. So, ang ganda ng recognition. Para ito na. Skyrus Baguio. Answers right.
Ni Yancy De Ocampo. Ito na si PJ Simon. Nagmamadali. Stop and pop three.
PJ Simon, partner, he can hit those shots.
How many Filter Brand? The one half of the Fast and the Furious. The Fast! And
Good low post play for the bigger Yancy De Ocampo. Ni JJ kay Yancy.
Oh, here comes CJ Casas. Pulls up the J. Yes, sir. And
As the boy wonder, monster of a game for him. Ang ganda ng nilalaro ni CJ Casas, partner. Doon sa mga pull-up, talagang automatic sa CJ.
And how about JJ Helterbrand? Speak
Panood at makapanood.
Here comes PBA Moto Club. Cyrus Baguio. Fly side with a
Vintage Cyrus Baguio. Right from midair. What a shot. Acrobatic shot pa yan, partner.
And how about Smart Cristobal?
One of the hero, partner. No,
Si Eric Tamayo.
good look for PJ. Pintos lamang.
Binigay kay Nino Gelig. Home
Reverse
run.
layup. And early.
Yan si De Ocampo. Nasa low block. May pito referee.
Oh, yes, I think.
Unang pukol sa free throw. Ganun pa rin yung kamay eh. Soft shooting touch is good. 2 out of 2 from the line. Pupulot ni Cyrus Baguio. Skyrus Baguio. Crossover with the layup!
Vintage Cyrus Baguio, partner. Lumibigay yun. Dahil ang FIBA rules tayo.
Open si JJ Helterbrand sa ilalim.
This time, JJ Helterbrand sa loob, partner. 37-46.
Siyam na ang kalamangan. Cristobal with a layup plus a foul. Helterbrand aatake. May foul.
Kung nakita mo, naiba yung tira ni JJ.
Pasok ang kanyang unang tira. Taga-PBA Moto Club. Yancy, wala ang kanyang hook shot. Espuelas, makakapulot ng rebound. Nagmamadali. Dumire-diretso sa basket.
How about this? Coast to coast yun, partner. Si Gio Espuelas talagang paborito na niya. Very deadly on the open court si Gio Espuelas.
Gio Espuelas.
Si Yancy De Ocampo who redeems himself on that last miss.
Here comes Mark Cristobal. Gets the 3-point bomb.
Yung kanyang tira, kung maaalala mo against UAE, kung sa PBA nga yun, 4 points yun eh. Pero talaga na part from the parking lot. As we see, Yancy De Ocampo, N1 play, may kasama pang foul.
Pass to Canaleta, loses the ball. Here comes Defensor, pushing it up. Defensor driving inside with the layup.
Coast to coast partner, Jeffrey Defensor, who is still from behind, yes.
Espuelas, up, and away, no! Casas was there
Yes,
for the
CJ Casas with the Jeffrey Defensor and
Defensor, wala! Malyari, offensive board! Kanya pa rin! Yes, sir!
gets his own miss and putting it back in.
Point
Yes,
lead.
partner, nakabalik agad sa mga taga-Qatar All-Stars. And yan si De Ocampo. Wala sa position si Rodel doon.
Inarao.
Medyo na-out po si
Yari, behind the leg. Nawala ang bola.
And look, who stripped that ball, the big man. Yan si De Ocampo. Up and away para kay PJ Simon, partner. You have to admire yan si De Ocampo stripping that ball on CJ Casas. Ang laki nun, pero nakita mo yung nagawa niya, guwapya.
And a meantime, Spark Cristobal Nice find inside.
Cristobal to Jeffrey. Ito na.
3-on-1 situation.
Offense.
Espelas, gumamit ng kaliwa!
Touchdown para sa Qatar All-Star. 3 against 1. Anong bumaba doon sa fast break play na yun, partner?
Baba sa isa. Ang lamang ng PBA Moto Club. And meantime, JJ
Narinig
Helterbrand.
tayo ni JJ Helterbrand. Hindi. JJ Helterbrand answers right back with his own triple.
Spark Cristobal, pupukol ng 3 from downtown. Comes Espelas, nice steal, defensive stop by the Qatar Suzuki All-Star Pinoy and Espelas.
Gets his own miss and putting it back in. Itong si Gio Espelas not giving up on the play.
Wala
na baba. For Qatar All-Star. So,
labas kay Casas. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Espelas.
wide open look for Gio. Don't leave him that wide open. Gio Espelas, 7th edition.
Cyrus Baguio flies high with 11. No, Gako, clean up the mess. For PBA Moto Club, 62 to 61.
Alito na, season battle na ito, partner. Alito na, bawat ka pa nan. Nag-iinit na. And Jeffrey Defensor answering with his own triple. May tira din yan, partner, si Jeffrey. Bihirang tumira, pero piling-pili yan si Jeffrey Defensor. And JJ Helterbrand answering right back.
This time, no. Here comes Cyrus Baguio on a run. Behind the back dribble. He goes up. Yeah!
Vintage naman ito, Cyrus Baguio. Turning CJ. Private game. Yes, good find. Good run. Yeah! A good setup job from CJ Casas. Dribble.
Nice defense by Gio Espelas. Espelas up, and no! He gets it back. There's a whistle. MVP, season MVP nung nakarang Inter-JCC All-Filipino Club Championship. Canaleta kicks it out. Simon for 3. Skyrus Baguio with the rebound. Spins, fading away.
Jumper from Skyrus Baguio. He's not the Skyrus for nothing.
Ronnie Cahayon kicks it out. Casas from downtown.
Against the outstretched arm of Ronald. The strong vibe of PBA Moto Club. Kung nakita mo, talino seryoso na, partner. They are with PJ Simon as he hit that turnaround jumper from the baseline.
So, naisip na tropa dyan.
Nakita ko yung mga of course, the Limen family nandito. Randy Limen.
Okay.
Shooter din to eh.
Awo.
Ayan na, yan. Anticipation for the counter steal. Yes, by CJ. Kung makikita, bigger yan si Deo Campos. So let's see kung paano magmamash-up.
Kasi yan si Dio Campos, 6'5", Ranidel. Yung ano lang yung backcourt. Ranidel, skip pass. Helterbrand, corner, 3, yes!
JJ Helterbrand lighting it up.
Thought about the 3.
Good drop.
Sets up.
Yes. Deciding.
Post up. No, Helterbrand with the rebound. Here comes Cyrus Baguio.
Open look para kay
Cyrus Baguio goes up.
And Cyrus Baguio going hard against his forward.
Here comes Cyrus Baguio.
PBA Moto Club, partner.
PJ Simon.
PJ Simon with the reverse. And
Ronnie Cahayon. Turnover again.
Another
Here
turnover.
comes Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus with the exhibition.
On the move. What a play.
Pero alam mo kung sino pinasok nila? Si Joseph Yo.
Joseph Yo, the ninja. Yes. Ayun na, good timeout and a good
Here comes Joseph Yo.
Knocking big time shot for CJ Casas.
Steal by CJ.
The ball away, CJ Casas. Dapat na lamang yan, partner.
We have a ball game, partner. Here comes Simon, one-hander. So, 2 free throws ang may
Burst of speed on the dribble pull-up. Yung one-hander pa nga yan na ginawa ni PJ. Paborit. Dito talagang parang prime pa rin talaga. With Cyrus Baguio.
One-on-one versus KJ. Malyari pulls up from the elbow.
From the 18-feet jumper. Ibigay sa'yo. Playing defense in transition.
Cristobal
Basa na CJ yung mga
Espuelas
pasok
was
na.
there.
And Espuelas scoring big time
Oo.
for Qatar All-Stars.
Dalawa
And
na
we
lang,
are down
partner.
to the wire, partner.
Oh!
DJ Canaleta. From the
Ngayon, ilalaglag kay Cristobal. Cristobal umatake. Sets up Espuelas.
A good dribble drive penetration and the drop passes it.
Canaleta. No. Yancy, offensive rebound. No look inside. The side is broken.
No look pass from Yancy
Oh.
Del Campo to kick.
Nice touch passing by Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Stars. Casas. Ball screen by Espuelas. Casas penetrates. There's
Good penetration for CJ Casas. Nakita niya.
to the charity stripes. First free throw is good. Gives it up inside to Yancy. Yancy on the low block. There's a
Nothing to do
foul.
but foul, partner.
Ang laki.
Against a smaller defender. Malaki na nito.
6'9". 6'9 and a half
So,
yata or
malaki yung 5 pulgada na yun.
16 na yan. May sapatos eh.
Or field coach. I don't know about the
Basta first
trivia,
round pick
pero
siya.
alam ko first pick siya. Oh, Gio Espuelas from the elbow.
1 minute and 20 seconds to go in our ball game. Helterbrand driving, kicks it out. Simon!
This will be big.
Hey!
Peter Jun Simon.
Casas, wing three!
This will be big.
No! Espuelas was there for the putback! It's a 4-point
95.
play. I think
91
they have to foul.
partner. They need to foul here.
They need to foul. They need to foul.
Oh. Sayang foul. 11 seconds ba? 4 seconds pa rin nawala, partner. Coaching stop yung kanilang mga players na to give a quick foul. Doon sa last sequence na yun.
7 seconds to go. Casas driving
First layup by
inside.
CJ, but time not on the side. I think that's it, partner.
Maganda.
PBA Mono Club.
Nung napansin nilang nakakabalik ng third period ang mga taga Suzuki Pinoy All-Stars, sineryoso nila ng fourth
Talaga,
quarter.
kung makita mo, talagang solid yung binigay na naman. Katulad na sabi ko kasi, gustong manalo. Ito yung mga taga-Pinoy Mono Club. Hindi talaga sila nagpatumpik. Ang ganda ng combination sa loob.